What does peak automotive luxury look like in 2025? Picture bespoke interiors, next-gen tech, and designs so bold they turn heads without even moving. These aren't just cars, they're rolling statements of power, precision, and prestige. Get ready for the ride. It starts at the very top, the Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail, a car so rare and detailed that only 4 will ever be made. With a jaw-dropping price of over $30 million, it's the most expensive Rolls-Royce ever built. Inspired by the deep red petals of the black Baccarat rose, its two-tone finish shimmers with rich red to almost black depending on the light. Every inch of this car screams craftsmanship. The cabin features a single wood panel made from over 1,600 individual pieces of black sycamore, all hand-assembled over nearly 2 years. The dashboard is paired with a custom Audemars Piguet watch that clips into the fascia, designed exclusively for the owner. Under the hood is a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12, tuned for smooth, silent power. This car isn't just for driving, it's a collector's item, tailored down to the last thread and built to be as personal as it is priceless. From the handcrafted to the ultra-advanced, the Cadillac Celestiq brings American luxury into the electric age like never before. Priced at around $340 grand, this hand-built EV is Cadillac's boldest statement yet. Every unit is made to order, with buyers choosing their own colors, materials, and even metal finishes. You can get custom-painted exterior panels, hand-stitched leather interiors, and dashboard inlays in real wood, carbon fiber, or brushed metal. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, are dual electric motors pushing out around 600 horsepower, giving the Celestiq strong, smooth performance and over 300 miles of driving range. It also includes Ultra Cruise, GM's most advanced driver assist system that can handle most highway driving on its own. The roof is made from electrochromic glass that lets each passenger adjust how much light comes through. It's quiet, fast, and fully personalized. Cadillac hasn't made a car like this in decades, and it shows. But maybe you want something with even more attitude. Enter the BMW XM Label Red, a plug-in hybrid SUV that doesn't just look aggressive, it backs it up with serious numbers. Under the hood is a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with an electric motor, delivering a massive 738 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque, making it the most powerful production BMW ever built. Priced at around $185,000, it's not cheap, but it's loaded. The Red Label edition comes in bold color schemes like frozen carbon black with Toronto red accents, along with unique badging and red trim inside and out. Inside, it's all about performance luxury, quilted M seats, vintage effect merino leather, red stitching, and a huge carved display that blends digital gauges with infotainment. Celebs like DJ Khaled and LeBron James have both shown off their custom versions on social media. Fun fact, the XM is the first standalone M model from BMW since the original M1 supercar. On the topic of power, the Koenigsegg Gemera officially hits production in 2025, and it's changing everything we thought we knew about four-seaters. This isn't your typical Grand Tourer, it's a full-blown hypercar that just happens to have space for 4 adults and their luggage. Under the hood, there's the tiny friendly Giant, a 3-cylinder twin-turbo engine that works with 3 electric motors to produce a combined 1,700 horsepower. That means 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds and a top speed of 250 miles per hour. Insane numbers for a car with cup holders and legroom. Instead of regular doors, it uses huge dihedral synchro helix doors that lift up dramatically, revealing a cabin loaded with custom leather, smart displays, and ambient lighting. Buyers can choose from a wide range of internal materials, including carbon fiber and Alcantara. Koenigsegg also offers performance upgrades like carbon aero kits and lightweight wheels. At $1.7 million, it's built for both speed and flex. Need a break from all the hypercar madness? Then take a deep breath and step into something truly smooth. The Mercedes-Maybach S680 by Virgil Abloh. Limited to just 150 units worldwide, this isn't just another luxury sedan, it's a tribute. The two-tone obsidian black and sand paint gives it a clean designer finish that stands out without shouting. Inside, you're surrounded by tan Nappa leather, custom 3D panels, and soft touch controls. There's a chilled compartment between the rear seats with champagne flutes, plus headrest pillows that feel like first-class airline seats. It runs on a 6-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, pushing out 621 horsepower, making it both powerful and buttery smooth. It's priced at around $215 grand, but with its exclusivity and Virgil's name attached, many collectors are spending much more. This is quiet power at its finest, and just wait, because up next is something with no roof, no limits, and more than 1,500 horsepower. Next up, the Lucid Air Sapphire, easily one of the fastest and most advanced electric sedans ever built. With a jaw-dropping 1,234 horsepower from a tri-motor setup, it rockets from 0 to 60 in just 1.89 seconds. Priced at about 250 grand, this all-electric monster doesn't just go fast, it's engineered to handle like a proper performance car. Lucid added carbon ceramic brakes, stiffer suspension, and an upgraded torque vectoring system that makes sharp turns feel razor precise. The Sapphire-specific aero kit includes a front splitter, wider stance, and unique wheel design that keeps things planted at high speeds. Inside, you get deep bucket sport seats wrapped in black suede with blue accents, along with a curved 34-inch display up front. The back seats, just as comfortable, keeping the luxury vibe strong. Lucid allows buyers to pick custom interior colors, materials, and trim designs, making each Sapphire a little different. It's not just a sedan, it's a statement. If you want British luxury with serious bite, the Aston Martin DB12 is your answer. Replacing the DB11, this new super tourer takes everything up a notch. It's powered by a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 that cranks out 671 horsepower, pushing 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds with a top speed of 202 miles per hour. The design is sleek and bold, with a wider stance, larger front grille, and sharper LED headlights. Inside, it's all about comfort and style. Hand-stitched bridge of wear leather, real metal trim, and Aston's first fully in-house infotainment system with a 10.25-inch screen and wireless Apple CarPlay. Buyers can choose custom color schemes, wheel options, brake caliper finishes, and even match interior stitching to exterior paint. One-off builds through Aston's Q division allows for full personalization, from carbon fiber packs to unique materials. Starting at 245 grand, the DB12 blends luxury, speed, and heritage into one stunning package. Midway through this insane lineup, and we've barely scratched the surface. If you're loving what you've seen so far, make sure to like and subscribe, because what comes next might blow your mind. From British tradition to Italian flair, the Ferrari Purosangue stands out, not just because it's Ferrari's first ever four-door, but because it stays true to what Ferrari should be: fast, loud, and bold. Under the hood is a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine pushing 715 horsepower, going 0 to 60 in just 3.3 seconds. That kind of power in an SUV is rare, and with a top speed of over 190 miles per hour, the Purosangue makes no compromises. It's built with active suspension, all-wheel drive, and rear-wheel steering, making it smooth on highways and tight in corners. The base price is around 400 grand, but that number climbs fast with Ferrari's customization options. Drake's is said to feature white leather seats, carbon fiber trim, and a custom sound system. Inside, it comes standard with a digital display for each front passenger, a clean dash layout, and rear seats that fold for practicality. It's speed, status, and everyday comfort, Ferrari style. The Pagani Huayra Codalunga is a $7.4 million masterpiece built for just 5 collectors. Inspired by 1960s Italian race cars, this long-tail version of the Huayra stretches over 14 feet, giving it a smoother, more aerodynamic shape. The body is made entirely of hand-formed aluminum, painted in soft matte tones chosen for each buyer. It's powered by a 6-liter twin-turbo V12 from AMG that makes 840 horsepower and sounds absolutely brutal when pushed. Unlike most supercars packed with screens and switches, the Codalunga's cabin is clean and focused, featuring exposed gear linkage, custom leather, and brushed aluminum. Each unit was built in close collaboration with its buyer, allowing for fully personalized interior colors, trim materials, and even seat stitching. The exhaust is made from titanium and weighs less than 10 pounds, tuned to deliver a raw vintage sound. With no rear wing and a design that flows like art, it's a hypercar built to be both driven and admired. Switching gears again, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan MY 2025 takes everything people love about the luxury SUV and turns it up a notch. The new model brings sharper styling, a more refined grille, and slimmer headlights that modernize its already bold look. Inside, the cabin now features a larger curved infotainment display, improved ambient lighting, and even softer leather options for the seats. It still runs on a powerful 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 that delivers effortless performance and a silent ride, even at high speeds. Pricing starts at around 400 grand, but that quickly climbs once you start adding custom features. For 2025, Rolls-Royce is pushing its bespoke options harder than ever. Buyers can get Starry Night headliners, embroidered family crests in the headrests, and even color-matched umbrellas. Travis Scott's matte brown Cullinan and Kim Kardashian's all-black version prove how much celebrities love tailoring this SUV to their personal style. It's big, bold, and built to impress, on or off the red carpet. If luxury means rare, raw, and ridiculous, the McLaren Solus GT takes the crown. Built for the track only, this hypercar costs around $4 million and just 25 units ever existed. It's powered by a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 that screams up to 10,000 RPM and cranks out 829 horsepower. That's serious racing power. There are no traditional doors, just a fighter jet style sliding canopy that opens up to a single seat cockpit molded exactly to each buyer's body. The entire car is made from lightweight carbon fiber, and even the steering wheel is modeled after F1 cars with all the key controls built right in. The downforce and aerodynamics have been designed for extreme grip, with a huge rear wing and ground-hugging underbody. McLaren offers personalized touches for each car, including custom seat padding, paint finishes, and interior materials. Did you know? The Solus GT first appeared in the Gran Turismo video game before McLaren turned it into a real car. Up next is the Range Rover SV LWB 2025, the long wheelbase SUV that redefines what it means to ride in first class. Starting at $230,000, most buyers push it well past $300,000 after customizing it with options like the signature suite rear cabin. That includes 2 fully reclining rear seats with massage functions, a center console with an electrically deployable table, rear champagne fridge, and fold-out tray tables. The cabin is finished in ultra-soft semi-aniline leather, or optional sustainable ultra fabrics, paired with custom wood or ceramic trim. It also comes with a 35-speaker Meridian signature sound system, active noise cancellation, and a panoramic roof. Haptic controls replace most buttons, giving everything a clean minimalist look. Buyers can select two-tone exterior finishes, gloss black wheels, and even bespoke embroidery on headrests. Celebs like LeBron James and David Beckham have long been fans of Range Rovers, and this is their most luxurious model yet. Back to the world of performance, the Bugatti Mistral Roadster stands as a farewell to one of the most iconic engines in automotive history, the W16. This is the final production model to feature Bugatti's 8-liter quad-turbo W16 engine, delivering 1,578 horsepower and reaching top speeds over 260 miles per hour. Only 99 units are ever made, each priced at around $5 million, making it one of the most expensive open-top cars ever sold. It's built on the same platform as the Chiron, but reworked to allow a roofless design. Bugatti focused on airflow and rigidity to ensure performance isn't compromised. Inside, the cabin features hand-stitched leather, polished titanium controls, and real wood accents inspired by classic yachts. The taillights stretch across the entire rear, forming an X-shaped signature. Owners can pick from hundreds of colors and material combinations through Bugatti's customization program. Celebrity collectors like Ronaldo and Manny Koshman are rumored to be among the first in line. The Lexus LF-ZC is shaping up to be one of the most futuristic luxury sedans of 2025. With its bold, low-slung profile and sharp edges, it looks more like a concept car than something you'd expect to see on the road, but that's exactly the point. Lexus is using the LF-ZC to set the tone for its next generation of EVs. Expected to start at $90,000, it will feature a powerful electric setup with over 500 horsepower and a driving range of more than 350 miles. Customization options will likely include Lexus's new Tazuna cockpit, where all controls are focused around the driver for a cleaner, distraction-free experience. Inside, owners can choose from sustainable materials, ambient lighting styles, and different digital display themes. It's also expected to offer a panoramic roof, AI-powered driving modes, and Lexus's next-gen voice assistant. For those who want a sleek, smart, and tech-savvy luxury EV, the LF-ZC is one to watch. And finally, we close with the Bentley Mulliner Batour, one of the most exclusive Grand Tourers in the world. With only 18 units ever made and a jaw-dropping price tag of $2.1 million, this car isn't about speed alone, though it packs plenty with 740 horsepower from Bentley's final W12 engine. It's about craftsmanship at the highest level. Each Batour is fully coach-built by Mulliner, Bentley's in-house custom division, meaning every inch is designed around the buyer's vision. Customers can pick unique paint shades, custom grille designs, titanium trim, and even sustainable leathers tanned using olive leaves. Jay-Z reportedly owns one and went with an all-blue interior and Rock Nation-inspired embroidery, custom footplates, and matte-finished wood trim throughout. The body features a long, wide stance with a fastback profile and new 3D-printed titanium exhaust tips. It's not just rare, it's tailored, bold, and a perfect blend of old-school power and future-facing luxury. Every car on this list isn't just a machine, it's a statement. A celebration of design, speed, comfort, and customization taken to the highest level. Some are for the road, others for the track, but all of them are redefining what luxury means in 2025. Which one would you take for a spin first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of ultimate automotive excess. We'll see you in the next one.